Hi my loves, happy Sunday today. Since it's Sunday, I decided to share a few skincare tips and tricks that I have learned over the years and I have been taught. So I'm gonna just quickly get into it. I have 5 tips for you all. The first one is if you're still young, it's best when you put moisturizer on your skin, it's best if you always pull your eyebrows up when you're applying moisturizer, and also use massage techniques like this to get your blood circulating. It will be so much better for your skin and your skin will thank you for it. If it's too late, the same age as me or above, I have another trick for you guys for your eyebrow lifting and eye lifting. What you're gonna have to do is put one finger here, one finger up like that. So you drag one down like this and you pull your eyebrows up and you keep that down like this for some seconds. Or you can, it just depends where you want the lift, like this. So you just drag it on your arch. You're gonna look crazy, but instant. Okay, I completely forgot that I put eyebrow. Okay, so the third tip of the day is while you're young, if you're a young viewer, please, 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 when you like blow your nose or itch your nose, do not do this, like pulling it downwards. That's what I did, and it makes your nose go this like slant. So instead, if you want to itch, just put it up like that, a little bit, like this, always upwards, so then your nose can go, like, you know what I mean. So always whenever you have anything to do with your nose, please push upwards, so then you can have that nose job effect that everyone wants now. Keep that in mind. And again, with changing features of your face, not that you have to, but this is for someone that wants to know how to like build their face while they're young, and just to have, it's called face posture. We're all beautiful in our own way, but this is just for some tips and tricks. Okay, another one. Tip number 4. What I suggest you guys to do is when you stand normally, please right now, check your resting face. Does your tongue rest at the top or the bottom inside of your mouth? Mine's at the top. What has that got to do with anything of your facial features? Let me explain that now. You would have a stronger jawline if your tongue would usually rest at the top of your mouth, in your mouth. And if it stays at the bottom, look, when I touch the bottom, like that, it will loop in. So this is why I suggest to always rest your tongue at the above. And another tip for, if it's too late now, of course, as I'm saying, I also have another trick for that. So another trick, which is massaging your face, exercising your face, your jaw. So what you're gonna have to do is like this, pull, kissy face. So pull it like this and up to exercise this area, so you won't have a double chin. Keep doing that daily like you do with your routine, your usual routine, and you should be fine. You'll have a better jaw. I think that was the 5th technique. I'm keeping it short and simple for you guys, so you can just listen through this easily without like getting bored. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed these 5 tips that I had for you guys today. Now what I'm going to do to end this video off, I'm going to be doing a face treatment for myself. I'm going to put a mask on, so I suggest you do the same and just treat yourself, because why not? Okay, so now what I'm going to be doing before I end this video, I want to put on a face mask, and if you want, you can join me. I'll show you guys which one I'm going to try out today, and go grab my face mask, and you guys go grab your face mask, and let's do this. Okay, this is my failed attempt of putting a face mask on. Anyway, see you in my next video, guys. I have way more tips and tricks to share with you guys, so I'm gonna lay down with this mask and